Hey everyone, just wanted to show you this CNC dovetail box made on mosaic. So the way it does it is it has a dovetail bit that has a special curve on the top here, but the one everybody uses is a vortex bit that costs about $700. Well, I'm going to give you a little tip. You can get a bit made by Match Fit Micro Jig. It has the same curve on the top and it's only $30. And I think it makes much better looking dovetails. It actually looks like a traditional dovetail. The Vortex one tends to have a big round over because they do a 1/4 inch bit. The way I do it is I have an 1/8 inch bit cutting out this dovetail part to match up with the dovetail bit from Match Fit that has the round over on it. Very, very nice looking. And with mosaic, I'm going to go into this detail on this more later, but you can change the pin width right here. You can change the tail width to make it look like more half and half traditional dovetail joints, or you can, a lot of times, I'm going to throw in some pictures, but sometimes I'll have 3 in a 4-inch section, which will make nice skinny pins right here. Looks really nice. But yeah, just wanted to go over that. Doing these with mosaic. Very cool, very cool. This, I was doing a little experiment, doing a round over right here because the bit actually has a 1/16 round over, but you can't really see it and it doesn't really translate. It only translates to the corner right here, which matches up perfect with an 1/8 inch bit radius. Anyways, I'm gonna make more videos on how to set up your programming to work with this bit. I'm even going to do a screenshot of my mosaic program so you can steal the settings straight from me. It took me a while to get this dialed in, so I'd be happy to share that with everybody. Just leave me a comment if you want me to send it over to you before I get to making that video. But yeah, just want to share this with you guys. It's pretty freaking cool. Although it's always more cost effective to buy your drawers. I'm gonna say that, because time is money, and if you can make a phone call, it doesn't matter how fast your CNC cuts out dovetails. Having pre-made drawers show up to your job site or to your shop and saving you all that time is definitely the best way to go. But if you're like me and just love running your CNC and want to experiment with this, this is a really fun thing to do. Also, I've done these a lot in hardwood. I'll throw some pictures on of the different drawers I've made, like I said, so you guys can see the different materials and the different boxes. I even have different spacing in some of the photos. So yeah, thanks for checking out my video. All right, bye. Look.
Some CNC dovetail joinery here with mosaic. Does a round over to match up with the round over with an 1/8 inch tool profile. That's pretty sweet though, I gotta say. Really nice. A little bit of glue in there. Oh good.